Hello friends, fighting kesang tine kaisa Make India company ni bising te ketal kaisa recruitment ni notification ne leano or vacancies tongnai 32 vacancies ST male female candidates roni bagai no 32 vacancies tongnai chini ST roni bagai male female joto na apply khai manai tero pasta branch office ni murja tongo Agartala Udaipur Khwai Teliamura and Ambassa orono job location tongnai te qualification ke class 10 12 te graduation khaijang ke norok o post ni bagai apply khai manai Age limit nangnai 18 ni simi 28 years jati jara tongnai tei noro post ni bagai apply khai manai tei ro branch manager ni bagai 30,000 jaknai division manager ni bagai 21,000 assistant manager ni bagai 15,000 te other post ni bagai ora 7,500 ni simi 12,000 jaknai hingke noro jara interested candidate tongnai o post ni bagai oro mobile number jak tongo noro o mobile number ni bising tino noro call khlaiye job ni full details tei apply process ni details naro sangui lamana hingke friends naro nogoi mankana Make India company ni bising tini je ketal recruitment ni notification o mohai ketal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai support khari tei naro ketal job ni notification nogoi mannai।